Hello, explorers! Today you will work independently in Google Classroom on your own to practice adding two digits. Let's take a look at our first learning activity slide together. Our slide says two-digit addition without regrouping. I can add two-digit numbers without regrouping. Regrouping means to make ones into groups of 10. So when we regroup, we make groups of 10 on the one place value side and we move them to the 10 place value side. But we are not regrouping any of our ones today. We will keep all of our ones in the ones place value column for today's work. Okay, the next step says solve the two-digit addition equation. 43 plus 22 equals a sum. Use the base 10 blocks to help you. So I'm going to take a look at 43 first, since it's my first add-in. And I see that I have 3 ones in the one place value column. So I'm going to click over here on my single cube with my finger on my mouse pad. I'm going to hold my finger on the mouse pad and I'm going to drag this single cube over here with my other finger and drop it on the work mat. So I have 1. Again, I need 3. So let me see here. 2 and 3. So I have my 3 single cubes. Now I'm going to look at the number that is sitting in my 10 place value column, which is number 4. So that means I have 4 10s. So I'm going to need 4 10 base blocks or 4 10 rods. I'm going to click on my base block here with my finger, hold it on my mouse pad, and I'm going to use my other finger and drag that base block up here to my work mat, drop it down. So I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 base blocks because I have 4 10s. I have 3 singles because I have 3 1s. Now I'm going to look at my second add-in, which is 22. So in my one spot, in my one column spot, I have a 2. So I'm going to need 2 singles. So I'm going to click on my singles here with my finger on my mouse pad, drag it over here, drop off 1, grab another one, and drop off the second one, 2. Okay, so I've got my singles. Now I'm going to look at my 10 place value, which happens to be a 2. So I need 2 more base blocks. So I got 1 and 2. Here's my other 2 10s. Okay, so I have all my numbers. Now I can count my blocks to solve my math problem, 43 plus 22. So I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click on this 6 with my finger, hold my finger down on my mouse pad, and drag that 6 up here to the line. And then I'm going to drop it on that line there. Okay. Now I'm going to count my singles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 ones. So I need to find a 5. Click on the 5. Hold it down with my finger on the mouse pad. Drag it with my other finger up here and drop it on that line. So now I have the answer 65. I can double check and make sure I have the correct sum by skip counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Yep, the answer is 65. So 43 plus 22 equals 65. I am now ready to move on to the next activity slide. You'll complete the rest of these slides on your own. When you get all the way down here to the end of your lesson, make sure you close this tab and turn your work in Google Classroom so your teachers can see all your hard work. And then feel free to make a choice off of our math choice board today. And have fun, boys and girls. Bye.